Hi, ChatGPT has been going crazy over the internet for the past few weeks, and this is a complete course on how to use ChatGPT and what all it can do it for you. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is the most advanced chatbot released to the public. It is based on GPT-3 by OpenAI. GPT-3 is a language model built to produce human-like text. In simple words, ChatGPT is the chat window for an advanced AI, which is GPT-3. Let's see how to use ChatGPT. Go to openai.com and click try ChatGPT. You have to log in or sign up. I have already signed up, so I will just log in and you will see a screen like this. Some major limitations of ChatGPT are it may occasionally generate incorrect information and it is not connected to live internet. It is only trained on data till 2021, so data after that is not available and you can't access it. Already are the previous chats. You can access those and continue your conversation from the point where you had left. So if I click the previous conversation, I can see all the conversation which had happened and it is saved here, and I can also continue this conversation again. So I will put something random, which is the most popular sport. Yes, it has given the answer correctly. It was an easy one. You can also regenerate response. It will give the same answer in some different words. You can access both the answers. I will type something physics related. This one was in its example, so let's see what it gives out. It is giving a very big answer and in very detail. It is correctly explaining a lot of concepts of quantum mechanics. I will just click stop. So, what are the use cases of ChatGPT? The main use case of ChatGPT is text generation. It can generate any type of text wonderfully, be it content creation, blogs, articles. You can even create jokes through it. It can also code for you. Can ChatGPT code and how to actually use it for coding? Just put here whatever you want to code. Like I want to code an HTML code for a shoe website. I will put that. And I also want the CSS and JavaScript for it. It should display the shoe and a buy button. This is how easy it is to code using ChatGPT. Of course, you need knowledge about all this because it sometimes produces wrong responses and uh, code which is not very optimized. But still, this is very good for a beginner who doesn't know how to code or the language in which he want to code. Let's just try out this code. This is the HTML code and the CSS one, and the JS code. So it is giving some response, but the image is not shown. Maybe we have to put a link for an image. It is saying thank you for your purchase. So it has produced a simple website. I think we would need a navigation bar and also an image of the shoe. For adding navigation bar, I can just tell ChatGPT to add a navigation bar and it will understand the context and it will give out code appropriately. And just like that, we have coded a simple web page. ChatGPT is very good in writing. You just have to put whatever you want to write and just be descriptive about what you want to write. If I am a green tea website owner and I want to rank organically, then I can write something about green tea. I get a very good article and it has enough content in it. I can actually post this on my e-commerce store if I had one. I also tried writing a YouTube script and it did the job very good. It collected all the information and wrote a script out of it. It also gave me points for the video part of it. It can create a summary of anything you throw at it. I just copy pasted some text of Wikipedia about Titanic and it gave me a good summary. ChatGPT can also write a cover letter and resume for you. I asked it a very difficult question of applying for the role of product manager at OpenAI with no with no experience and no qualifications, and it still managed to put out a very good cover letter. It also wrote out the resume for the same. Will ChatGPT always remain free? On the day of shooting this video, a paid plan costing $42 per month has been introduced. Though the free plan is currently available, it is difficult to predict whether it will always remain free. Of course, if you are a business owner, it may be totally worth it. ChatGPT is awesome and all that is great, but how to actually earn using ChatGPT? We have to understand that ChatGPT is an awesome tool and a super assistant, but it is that a tool and an assistant on demand. It can't create money magically, nor there is any get rich quick scheme with ChatGPT. Having said that, ChatGPT is super fast and has knowledge in almost all fields. It can do one thing very good in almost any subject, that is writing. It can write just anything, but it's not the best. You will get an average person's output in that field. Start a service or a business offering some product. You will need to learn about them and build your skills of business. And with ChatGPT on your side, everything would be fast tracked. You would be able to provide faster services and launch your business faster. Some examples of businesses are YouTube channel where you can take inspiration from ChatGPT, and e-commerce business where you can take inspirations for the product description from ChatGPT. You can start a freelancing service, you can do affiliate marketing, and you can also become an Instagram influencer, all by taking inspiration from ChatGPT for the content you are going to post and create. What are the alternatives of ChatGPT? So I stumbled upon ChatSonic. Though it runs on ChatGPT, it has live access to internet and thus overcomes one of the limitation of ChatGPT. There's a limit on the number of free responses you can get. So for this question, it has given me a recent answer and which proves that it is connected to internet and getting latest data from Google. ChatGPT on the other hand seems like it is giving old data of the pandemic era. Another tool which I found was Jasper AI. Jasper AI was earlier known as Jarvis AI and is used extensively by digital marketers. Also, there is White Cream, which has a chat genie similar to ChatGPT. Will ChatGPT replace Google? Honestly, it has the potential to do so. It provides you what you need without searching through countless web pages. But the limitations like non accessibility to live internet leaves it out of the race for now. Will ChatGPT replace human jobs? Certainly not now, but give it a few years and we might be surprised. If you found value, please leave a like and I will see you next time with another AI video because the AI industry is just beginning.